Hello and welcome to L&T Education. Good morning, friends. Welcome you all to another session of general knowledge discussion. So this discussion is very important for your upcoming examinations like opsc, upsc, any state level or central level examinations like railway, banking, ssc, whatever. These questions may help you to fetch a good mark. So before starting the session, I would like to request you, please try to watch my video up to end. If you like it, then please have a like, share and subscribe. Let's start the session. Guys, the first question for you. Everybody know about Chetan Bhagat. Okay, Chetan Bhagat is an IITian. He also belongs to IIM. My question is, Chetan Bhagat is associated with what? Chetan Bhagat is associated with what? And the answer is, he is a novelist. He is famous for writing novels. आप सबको पता होगा, my students, चेतन भगत बहुत सारे बुक्स लिखे हैं. He has written so many books. और उनका बुक्स जो होता है उनमें से जो पिक्चर भी हिंदी मूवीज like Kaipoche, Two States, so many pictures are there that has been made from his novels. So the answer will be famous for writing novels, or he is a very good novelist. Next question is, who designed the symbol for Indian rupee? You know Indian rupee पहले हम लिखते RS लिखते थे. 2018 में वो चेंज हो गया. उसका सिंबल क्या हो गया? रूपी का सिंबल चेंज हो गया. तो वो चेंजेस कौन लाए थे? उनका नाम क्या था? एंड द आंसर इज डॉक्टर उदय कुमार. डॉक्टर उदय कुमार was born in Tamil Nadu in 1978. He has completed his BR from Anna University, and he also a student of IDC, IIT Bombay. He has completed his PhD in IIT Bombay, and finally he is the man who designed the symbol for Indian rupee. Okay, the INR, Indian rupee. Today recently we are using the symbol that is like this. So that has been designed by Dr. Uday Kumar. Next question, guys, for you. Tell me the important minerals in our body. Which mineral is very important for our body? The answer is calcium. Calcium is a mineral that is very important for our body, especially for our bone strength. We must use calcium. Calcium means calcium based food we have to use. Next question, phosphorus. If there is deficiency of phosphorus in our body, then what will happen? If we are deficient in phosphorus, then lack of appetite. Lack of appetite means अगर हमारा अंदर phosphorus का कमी होगा तो हमें सही टाइम पर मतलब खाने के लिए हमारा दिल नहीं खाएगा, मतलब हम नहीं खाएंगे सही टाइम पर. इसे बोलते हैं appetite. Okay, due to the lack of phosphorus, what happens? The lack of appetite. Next question, how many Vedas are there in ancient Indian literature? Okay, you know, everyone must know this answer. The answer is 4. There are 4 Vedas in the ancient Indian literature. The 4 Vedas are Rig Veda, the oldest Veda, Sam Veda, Yadur Veda and Atharva Veda. Okay, so these are the 4 prominent Vedas during the ancient Indian literature. It is like the Vedic era. Okay, it's in Vedic era. That is, Vedic eras are divided into 2 types. First one is early Vedic age, and the second one is the later Vedic age. The early Vedic age is from 1500 to 1000 BC, and the later Vedic age from the 1000 BC to 600 BC. Okay, so in the early Vedic period, there are 4 Vedas are there: Rig Veda, Sam Veda, Yajur Veda and Atharva Veda. Next question, How many Nobel Prizes are there? Means Nobel Prizes are distributed in how many fields? The answer is 6. In 6 fields, Nobel Prizes are awarded. You know, Nobel Prize, the discoverer of dynamite. Okay, that here, according to him, Nobel Prizes are awarded to the people, to the prominent scientists, those who achieve some important experiments in that field. There are 6 fields are there in which fields the Nobel Prizes are given, and these fields are physics, chemistry, medicine, literature, economics, and peace. Okay, again I am repeating, in 6 fields the Nobel Prizes are awarded, and the 6 fields are physics, chemistry, medicine, literature, economics, and peace. These are the 6 fields. In mathematics, Nobel Prizes are not awarded. Okay, that is a it's a very important thing. There is a story why in mathematics Nobel Prizes are not awarded. There is a story behind it. Please go through the Google or on YouTube. You will get the idea why in mathematics the Nobel Prizes are not awarded. Okay. Next, come to the next question. How many bones are there in a human body? It's a very simple question. You know, guys, everybody knows this. There are 206 bones are there in a human body. Next question for you. Which country does not have an army? Which country does not have an army? कौन सा country जिसका army नहीं है? The answer is Costa Rica. Costa Rica is a country who has no army. Next question, guys. What is the height of the Statue of Unity? Statue of Unity is the highest, the longest statue in the world, and in this statue, the Prime Minister of India, that is Narendra Modi ji, had inaugurated the statue of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel ji. Okay, in 2018 in Gujarat, and the height of the statue is 182 meter, the tallest ever in the world. 182 meter. 182 meter. Okay. Next question. You know the two important cars, Mercedes-Benz and BMW, are the price of a European country. Name the country. Again, I am repeating the question. Mercedes-Benz and BMW are the two prominent and two prestigious and important car that belongs to an European Union. Okay. So tell me which country it belongs to, and the answer is Germany. Okay. Germany is the country which is the foreign manufacturer of Mercedes-Benz and BMW. Next question for you. During whose reign was the Grand Trunk Road built? During whose reign was the Grand Trunk Road built? So the answer is Shershah Suri. Please keep a distance. The answer is Shershah Suri. The Shershah Suri is the person during his reign the Grand Trunk Road has built. Next question. If you are in space, what I said? If you are in space, and if you look the brightest spot in the earth, then tell me its name. Again, I am repeating the question. If you are in a space mission, on the space, if you looked a brightest spot in the earth, tell me its name. Yes, the answer is Las Vegas. Las Vegas is the brightest spot on the earth seen from the space. Next question. Which country presented the Statue of Liberty to the USA? Which country presented the Statue of Liberty to USA? तो कौन सा कंट्री स्टैच्यू ऑफ लिबर्टी को एज ए गिफ्ट के हिसाब से यूएसए को दिया था? एंड द आंसर इज फ्रांस. ओके, फ्रांस इज द कंट्री हु प्रेजेंटेड द स्टैच्यू ऑफ लिबर्टी टू द यूएसए. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. एडमिनिस्ट्रेटिव स्टाफ कॉलेज इज सिचुएटेड. एडमिनिस्ट्रेटिव स्टाफ कॉलेज इज सिचुएटेड इन हैदराबाद. ओके. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. नेम ए कंट्री विदाउट ए रिवर। नेम ए कंट्री विदाउट ए रिवर। वो कौन सा देश है जिस देश में रिवर नहीं है? द आंसर इज लीबिया। लीबिया इज द कंट्री इन व्हिच कंट्री देयर इज नो रिवर। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, व्हिच कंट्री हैज इट मैप ऑन इट्स नेशनल फ्लैग? व्हिच कंट्री हैज इट मैप ऑन इट्स नेशनल फ्लैग? यानी कि ऐसा कौन सा देश है जिसका नेशनल फ्लैग में उसका मैप है? ओके, एंड द आंसर इज कोसोवो। दैट इज एन यूरोपियन कंट्री। कोसोवो, KOSOVO, कोसोवो, दैट इज एन यूरोपियन कंट्री. In this country, in its national flag, there is a map. Okay. Next question, College of Military Engineering. College of Military Engineering in India is situated in. The answer is Kirki. That is in Pune. Okay, it's Pune. The name of this is Kirki. Next question, College of Satellite Communication Technology. College of Satellite Communication Technology is situated in which city? The answer is Ahmedabad, Gujarat. Next question, which islands are called friendly islands? Which islands are called the friendly islands? कौन सा island को हम friendly island कहेंगे? The answer is Molukai. Molukai are the islands are called as the friendly islands. Molukai, MULUKAI, Molukai. Next question, the Revolution 2020. The Revolution 2020 is the latest book written by who? And the answer is Chetan Bhagat. Okay, Chetan Bhagat is the author of the book The Revolution 2020. Is the latest book that is produced by him. Next question. Everybody knows India is the 7th largest country as per the area, and it is the 2nd largest country as per the population throughout the world. Next question, which separates India from Pakistan? And the answer is Gulf of Mannar. Okay, Gulf of Mannar separate India from Sri Lanka. Next question, tell me the longest river of India. Tell me the longest river of India. That is Brahmaputra is the longest river of India, and its length is 2,900 kilometer. 2900 kilometer. Next question, in which year national flag was adopted? In which year national flag was adopted? And the answer is 22nd July 1947. In the year 1947, 22nd July, we adopted the national flag. Next question, the USA has the largest number of time zones. The USA has the largest number of time zones. The question is, how many numbers are there? That is, in USA 11 time zones are 11 time zones are there. Okay, the answer is 11. Next question, Vande Mataram was translated into English by whom? Vande Mataram was translated into English by whom? And the answer is Sri Aurobindo. Sri Aurobindo translated Vande Mataram into English. Next question, where is the Army's training command situated? Where is the Army's training command situated? That is in Simla. Answer is Simla. Next question, the Indian Air Force is organized into how many commands? The Indian Air Force is organized into 7 commands. Okay. Next question, the southern command of the Indian Navy is located in. The southern command of Indian Navy is located in. The answer is Kochi, that is in Kerala. ITBP, Indo-Tibetan Border Police, ITBP, established in which year? ITBP, that is Indo-Tibetan Border Police, established in the year of 1962. In the year of 1962, during the war of India and China. Next, NSG. NSG means National Security Guard. NSG means National Security Guard. The National Security Guard was established in the year of 1984. National Security Guard was established in the year of 1984. Next question, CISF. CISF means Central Industrial Security Force. Central Industrial Security Force. The question is, in which year it was established? The answer is 1969. In the year of 1969, CISF was established. Next question, Assam Rifles. Assam Rifles established in which year? The answer is 1835. In 1835, Assam Rifle was established. Next question, BSF, Border Security Force. Border Security Force was established on which year? The answer is 1965. Next question, CRPF. CRPF means Central Reserve Police Force. So CRPF is established in which year? The answer is 1939. 1939. 1939. In the year of 1939, CRPF was established. Next question, the Territorial Army. The Territorial Army established in which year? The answer is 1948. In the year 1948, the Territorial Army was established. In which year Home Guard was established? In which year Home Guards was established? The answer is in the year of 1962, in the time of the Indo-China War. Next question, Coast Guard. Coast Guard was established in which year? The answer is 1978. In the year of 1978, the Indian Coast Guard was established. Next question, Intelligence Bureau. Intelligence Bureau was established in which year? The answer is 1920. In 1920, the Intelligence Bureau was established. Next question, CBI. CBI means Central Bureau of Investigation. Central Bureau of Investigation was established in which year? The answer is 1953. 1953 is the year in which year the CBI, Central Bureau of Investigation, was established. Then next question, RAF. RAF means Rapid Action Force. Rapid Action Force was established in which year? The answer is 1992. In the year of 1992, RAF, Rapid Action Force, was established. Next question, guys. Tell me the year in which National Crime Record Bureau, NCRB is a central agency of government of India which expresses the results, which expresses the number of crimes that is happening in India. So the question is, NCRB, that is National Crime Record Bureau, was established in which year? The answer is 1986. Next question, the first session of the United Nations was held in. United Nations का first session कहाँ हुआ था? And the answer is London. London is the city where the first session of the UN was happened. Next question, tell me the name of the headquarter of UN. United Nations का headquarter कहाँ पे? The answer is Newark. Newark is the city where the president of the headquarter of the United Nations. So these are the some important questions for your examinations. I think this lecture will be helpful for you to improve your current knowledge. So also this will helpful for your upcoming examinations. In this way, we will try our best to provide you good quantity, good types of question answers and good type of GK questions and current affairs through our lecture, through our YouTube channel. So you please try to watch my video up to end. If you like, then please like it, share it and subscribe it. That's it for today. Goodbye.